Hello everyone and welcome to this demo video of our software Viral Source. So what I'm going to be doing is taking you into a few of the main features of the software so you can see just how powerful it is. This is our dashboard where you can actually see some really important things like how many campaigns you have set up, your total number of visitors, your total number of unique visitors, and your total leads generated. Okay, so if I'm going to go into my campaigns, okay, I'll have the ability to create a new campaign here. Alright, so I can call this campaign test, alright, just to show you guys how it works. From there, I have the option of actually selecting a client user, which means that I could have this campaign be run on behalf of a client if I want. Okay, I also have the ability to upload a branding image so that on the software it'll be my brand for the pages that open up. So I'm just going to leave it to the default here, which is mean it's going to display Viral Source. It's not going to display a particular brand. I'll hit the next button. And now I have the ability to create a very nice looking content locker. So I have the option of putting on a timer. So I'm not going to do that for this example, but you can see that we have that option. And then I'm going to type something in here like, get 20% off by sharing. Let's go ahead and make this white. Okay, we'll go and we'll change this to a nicer text. We'll increase the size. Okay, let's leave it like that. And then we come down and we change the button. Great, so here we can set the text to white. I like making my button green. Okay, so we can do that. Actually, I might even be able to make it a nice color that blends with that colored background. So maybe we'll do, that looks pretty good. Okay, let's increase the size of the text. Okay, let's change the font. Okay, let me make this a corner actually, and then, let's see. I don't really like that one. Let's go monospace. How about looks okay. Let's put some bold here. There we go. That looks great. So now I have this cool looking thing. Let me actually bold up here too. There we go. That looks pretty good. So let's go to the next page. Now I have the option to choose what I want this content locker to do. What's required to unlock it, okay? So we have the ability to sign up to Facebook, tag Facebook friends, share on social networks, and depending on your package, the ability to share on social networks plus Facebook sign up or this combination here. I'll choose the share on social networks. From here, you have the ability to choose how many social networks you want to be shared on. So I'll choose Facebook and Pinterest. And you have to share on a minimum of 1. Okay, now this is what's actually going to show on the post that your customers will be sharing to get access to what's behind the content locker. So here I'll be able to put, check this out, alright? And then you can upload an image if you want. If not, you could simply put a website here. I'll just put Google for the sake of this example. And then this is where you put what's going to be revealed once they complete the action. So here I could put, here is your coupon. I can make it purple, I can make it bigger. Okay, let's go heading 2. That looks pretty good. Put an image here, I could insert a link. Okay, I can edit HTML. I'll just leave it here as great, your coupon is 20% off. Okay, and now this displays a content locker here that you can actually play with the height and width. Okay, so there's a nice width. Let me see what I will do about the height. Maybe we could lower the height a little bit. Let's see if we can go to 300. Nope, see 300 is too low since we get the pop-up, the scroll bar. So let's do 325. Still too much. What about 340? Alright, so 340 is about as low as we could go. On the width, let's see if we can go 450. Okay, let's see if we can go 400. Okay, there it is. There is 400 by 340 content locker. Okay, and if you click this, there's the option to share on social networks. So let's say I want to share it on Facebook. There's a coupon. And that's how it goes. And then you have the option to go back to the site.